In the year 862, a sudden and violent upheaval in Samarra plunged the once mighty Abbasid Caliphate into chaos. The streets ran red with blood as rival factions vied for power, leaving the empire on the brink of collapse. Amidst this turmoil, a young prince emerged from the shadows. Who was he, and how would his reign reshape the fate of one of history's greatest empires? Born in the tumultuous year of 854, Abu al-Letatubiya Bibi Macrones, a Letawani 25, M, a D ibn Letawani 60, a L Letawani 25, would rise to become Caliph al-Mu'tadid. His father, Talha, was a powerful military commander who navigated the chaos as regent. Al-Mu'tadid's rise to power was marked by a series of military campaigns, most notably against the Zanj rebellion. He played a crucial role in suppressing this uprising that threatened Baghdad itself. In June 891, al-Mu'tadid's father died. He quickly sidelined his cousin and assumed the throne upon the death of Caliph al-Mu'tamid in October 892, becoming a powerful caliph himself. During his reign, al-Mu'tadid recovered lost provinces and forged alliances with regional powers like the Safarids and Tulunids. However, this came at a cost. The economy became almost entirely dependent on maintaining the army. Despite his military successes, al-Mu'tadid was also known for his harsh rule and strict discipline. He restored the Abbasid Caliphate's power, but left a legacy of iron-fisted governance. Al-Mu'tadid's reign marked a turning point for the Abbasid Caliphate. His rule brought stability and power, but also left an indelible mark of iron-fisted control.